If I were a superhero, my power would be knowledge. Because only the power of knowledge can lead you to a life of success.
Through knowledge, the joy of helping someone and seeing their smile is the purest form of joy I've ever felt. I want to spread that joy to the entire world. And for me, I know I can achieve any goal. Because of faith that fuels my passion to excel.
Because where I come from, excellence is not an option. It's a way of life.
I fall in love every day.
Think about the future. And it seems challenging, but I am ready for it. With the discipline of self-management, I have the confidence to overcome obstacles and triumph against all odds.
Because success doesn't come with luck. It comes with perseverance, and I'm not stopping.
Knowledge, joy, faith, love, excellence, self-management and perseverance.